Hey, it's Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I am sharing my cute, teeny tiny little travel journal setup. Um, this is meant to catch those photos that don't make it into other travel memory keeping. So I don't know about you, but I always have like one or two extra little photos that just don't make it into whatever travel documenting I'm doing. And so this is a perfect place to add those and make teeny little spreads with them. So to start, I have some fun charms. This charm is from the planner add-on, the Wander Planner add-on kit from Coco Daisy. And this is from actually last year's Wayfarer kit, I believe. And I love having just some cute little charms on this. Inside, I have made a cover that is also a pocket. I used the planner paper to make a little pocket, and it wraps around the whole insert. I love that it's pretty neutral, so it'll go with whatever travel documenting I have in here. I have another little clear pocket to add little things that I want to add in here. And then in the back, I have some printables. So these are printables from the wow, what am I trying to say? The Wander Coco Daisy Planner printables. And I just trimmed a bunch out and so I can add them. And then I stamped a bunch of the stamps onto clear sticker paper, scraps of it. Don't throw away your clear sticker paper scraps. You can always stamp onto it. And then so I have stamps to add to this insert. And then on this side, I just had some scraps of the paper from the collection and put over the cover of this pocket. And then these sticky notes are from the bonus travel kit and added them because they make perfect little journal spots. And then on the cover, I used some of the rub-ons and the stickers and stamps and things and just went to town on the cover. I love this sort of collage-y looking cover, very much inspired by this paper. And then so this insert has a bunch of different things because I started it a while ago. And so these are just kind of things that were from my stash. And so again, the idea is that this holds just sort of random travel stories that just didn't make it into other journals, and so, or other memory keeping, other documenting. And so you can see I've added a little bit of the Wander kit items to what was already on the page. And it's just this is just such a fun way to like add the little extras, even things like, business cards. And I have a couple pages that are ready for things that don't have anything yet. And then here is a prepped page using mostly the printables and stickers and items from the Coco Daisy Wander collection. Here I stamped over and over. I repeat stamped using this stamp from the bonus kit, travel kit, onto clear sticker paper and then added it on to the side. And this is paper from the collection that I just put on the page. And yeah, so I love the idea of having a place for the Misfit travel photos. I tend to use these little notebooks for my Misfit photos, and so I always have Misfit travel photos, so this is the perfect place to put them. So I hope this was inspiring to you. And if you have any questions, leave them below. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.